I got a big brake kit. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Counterspace Garage. Happy Taco Tuesday. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button. Do it now. Great, thanks. Today, we're installing some big brakes. This is a Stoptech C43. It is used heavily, but we're gonna install it, put it through its paces, give it some testing, and then eventually replace the pads and the rings to something a little bit more autocross friendly, because right now the rings are so worn down that you can't even see the grooves in them. It's got brand new pads. These are Counterspace Garage, not Countersteer Garage. They're a little aggressive for street and probably a little aggressive for autocross, but they're supposed to be a great track pad, so we'll hang on to them and use them for track days. Now you might be saying to yourself, brakes, those only slow you down, which is true. Brakes do slow you down, but a big brake kit will do so more reliably because of the bigger caliper, and it is no longer a floating caliper design. It is a radial mounted caliper design. It has much better pedal feel. You can do much better modulation, and it's lighter. So that's cool. Also, the bigger components, the bigger caliper, the bigger rotors, the bigger pads distributes heat more evenly and keeps the brakes cooler where you need them to be cooler, which is like right about in here somewhere. Let's put these things on, huh? Yeah, buddy. Kind of mad because these DS2500 pads in here are like brand new, and we put them in like last season. Still got a lot of life left in them. Let me know if you want to buy them. Ferrotto DS2500 front pads, great for autocross. They heat up fast. They squeak like a city bus coming into a stop, but they definitely have some bite. So let me know if you want them. You could have the rotors too. Hit me up on Instagram. So, like I said, this set is very used. The rotor had some veins on there, but they're all gone. We are gonna change these rings out eventually, but I just wanna get this on and test it and see what the pads feel like and things like that. So for now, it's gonna stay like this, and then we'll see how it feels after. All right, now we're putting the bracket on, the caliper bracket. And now the caliper slides over. So the 9-inch Yankees have the flat spokes, so they don't fit every brake kit. So here is moment of truth. All the other wheels fit the calipers. We're gonna try the stock wheels. Say a prayer to the car gods. Maybe I shouldn't put my hand in where
Where are you gonna pinch it?
Oh.
Does it really?
It's close. But it's about as close as the 9.
Yeah, I say it's about as close as the 9s.
Sick.
So you can still winter drive your race car for some reason.
So the brakes are on, and now it's time to bleed with some fresh Motul RBF 600. Motul, sponsor me? Maybe?
You need 1,000 subscribers first.
And I got Matt here. He's gonna help pump the brake pedal. Cause I am pretty awesome, but I can't do all of this myself. Woo! Pump her up. All right, pump up. All right, I'm cool with that. All right, pump up. up. And we're done. Looks like Bear Grylls pee. Alright, I've changed. Time for a test drive slash bed-in. Let's see what these things feel like. I couldn't find any specific bed-in procedure, so I'm just gonna take it easy on them for a couple of miles and just get them somewhat worked in. So far so good, but I haven't pressed on the brakes yet. Hope I don't die. We're heading to go mountain biking, so this is a good time to bed in the brakes. I mean, it doesn't feel any different, but I'm also just driving at 35 on the street, so I guess we'll find out when I go autocrossing this weekend at Wicked Big Meat. If you could really call what I do autocrossing, I'm just gonna drift the whole thing, so I'm not really gonna need brakes, but it'll be fun. Yes, I changed again. Blip shift. Initial thoughts. Got the Counterspace Garage pads in there. They're the C2 compound, and I actually kind of like them. They have a really good cold bite. They're not very noisy. They were very dusty. I'm hoping that's only for the bed-in, because it was like this gray dust. The big major difference I noticed was the modulation. It's much easier to modulate brake pressure now, and it's very sensitive, but also very manageable. And that's something I didn't find with the stock brakes. So, initial thoughts, I like them. I better like them. Spent a lot of money on them, so maybe it's placebo. I don't know. Gonna run them hard at Wicked Big Meat, which is this weekend. So click here if you wanna see last year's video, and then eventually when there's a video for that, I'll put it kind of towards the end of the video here. So, that's it for today. Happy Taco Tuesday. Go get yourself some tacos. I'm gonna go get myself some tacos, and I will see you guys next Taco Tuesday.